Whoa!
It's so much fun. Just get into it. Just get dirty. Yeah, you know. Get dirty.
Go.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before I get started, click on subscribe and turn okay. Give me a thumbs up. Today we'll be making oatmeal cookies.
Alright guys, so remember in our last video, we asked you what was this right here. And I told you I explained what it is. Do you guys know what it is?
It's to help smooth out, what's it called? Flour.
What's it called?
I don't know, a flour maker?
A flour maker? What do you think it's called, Julie?
A flour spinner.
A flour spinner and a flour maker. Wrong. It is called a flour sifter. And it is meant to sift flour. Instead of just pouring flour into your bowl, you put it into that and you crank it. Can you show them the crank thing? You just go like this and crank it. And it softens up the flour.
And then she got in.
And it makes your cookies better, huh? So we're going to do that and make some oatmeal cookies.
You got to watch out for that because it might get in your eyes like I just barely got.
Oh, yeah. Should we have worn some goggles? And Jenny's making a mess. So guess who gets to clean it up?
Julie!
No! Jenny!
Yay!
All right, and we have here a really old recipe. I think my mom has had this recipe for like 40 years. You can also get the same type of recipe off your oatmeal jar, the Quaker Oats, and it has it on the back. All right, what should you do before you even start baking or cooking anything? What are you doing, Jenny? Wash your hands, right? Because what if you've been picking your nose and then you make cookies and then everyone will have booger cookies? Booger cookies. Okay, you need to wash your hands now. See, they've been all over the floor. And I probably stepped on dog poop with my shoes, and then I've been walking on the floor, and now you have dog poop all over your hands. And now it's on your face. So wash your hands. Ready, go. And preferably wash them with soap.
Okay.
Not just water. All right, and Jenny, you come over here and read the instructions, but don't read these ones above it because it's probably for something else. It says you need ground beef, and we're not making ground beef cookies. So you need to read this one to us, okay? Okay, what's the first thing that we need?
Cup of vanilla.
Cup of vanilla. Do we have a cup of vanilla?
No.
Right there, that is vanilla. Okay.
Cup family baked. Cup family baked.
What?
Cup of family baked.
Cup of family baked. What is that? Okay. First we need. Hold it still. First we need 3/4 cup of vegetable shortening. You don't see that there is some shortening right there?
Nope,
shortening.
This is called shortening. Nope.
Says 1 cup firmly packed brown sugar. Where's the brown sugar, Julie? Is that brown sugar? Yeah. Okay, check. Got it. We need
I'm raising my hand.
1/2 cup of granulated sugar, which means white sugar. Why are you washing your hands again?
I want safety.
Yeah, no. It's because you've been touching the shortening, huh?
Yeah, let's go.
So the shortening doesn't really come off unless you wash your hands again. Yes, it needs 3. Okay, you need 3/4 cup of shortening. So get the spoon. Yeah, get all in that 3/4. And don't touch it.
I got this.
Don't. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's good, YouTubers. who's ever watching this, give me a thumbs great.
Not a thumbs up, a thumbs great?
Yes. A thumbs great. I don't even know what a thumbs great is.
Okay, next is the brown sugar. 1 cup brown sugar. You making a mess?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little too much. Okay, next we need 1 egg. Julie, can you get an egg out of the fridge?
Please.
Okay, Jenny's gonna get an egg out of the fridge. What if we cracked it on your head?
Yeah.
Let's not. Let's not and say we did. Next, we need 1/4 cup of water.
1/4 cup of water. For the water?
Whoa! So probably a good thing that Dad is helping them, because I don't know what kind of cookies they would be making. And they just made a mess with the water. There's water all over the can. It's supposed to stay in the sink. This is like herding a bunch of cats. It's kind of hard. Okay, next we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Dad, where are you?
Do you have the vanilla?
Right here.
Okay, we need 1 teaspoon. Are you drinking my pop? No. That's why you guys are so hyper. You've been drinking my pop. Let me see. It's all gone.
Well, I just did like a sip.
And they're on the ground again laughing. Because Jenny just tooted. Okay, next we need 3 cups of uncooked oats. Okay, next we need 1 cup all-purpose flour, which is just regular flour. All right, next we need 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It says soda. It doesn't mean the Mountain Dew that the girls have been drinking. Because then these would be really, these cookies would make you really hyper, like these girls. Okay, girls, I think we have all the ingredients. But what do you think we're missing? How are we going to mix this all together?
A bowl.
We need a bowl.
I know a bowl. I know a bowl. No.
Okay, Jenny, time to pour that all in the bowl. Okay? You remember we got to use our sifter for the flour. You don't just pour it in there.
Oh, okay.
Time to use the sifter. Okay, now go. See how the makes it nice and soft. Did you get it all? Yeah, go fast. You got it?
Nope.
Okay, it's been all sifted. You know what we forgot to do? That you're supposed to do at the beginning? Is preheat the oven. We need to turn the oven on. Okay, we got the oven turned on now. Just keep mixing. How's it looking? Does it look like cookies yet? Doesn't look like good cookies yet. All right, let the mixing commence. Try not to make a mess.
I am. Let's make a mess. Now it looks like a lot more like cookies.
Sweet. All right, let's put them onto a baking pan and make some and bake them now.
Grandpa wanted some raisins, so we're gonna put a little bit of raisins. But Julie does not like raisins.
And Dad doesn't like raisins either.
I love. Wait, you don't like raisins?
No.
Bleh.
All right, time to roll them into a ball and put them on the cookie sheet.
I know how.
Can you do that, Julie?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
It's so much fun. Just get into it. Just get dirty. Yeah, you know. Get dirty.
We even got a couple of the raisin ones for Grandpa. There they are, right there. All right, time to put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes is what it says. All right, well, we made the cookies. They look really good. Shall we do a close-up of them? You can even see Grandpa's raisin ones. But they probably look so good because you know why? We use the sifter. That's probably why. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned what a sifter was. And the worst part about making cookies is the cleanup. And the best part of eating the cookies. Okay.
The cookie dough.
Yeah. All right. See you next time. All right. Bye.